All right, I'm back with another pre-market video breakdown of the chart. So let's start off with the DXY. Leave that there. Let's see. So if we look on our weekly, this is a really strong bearish candle, and I can see it coming down to about right here, which I should have held my positions from yesterday. But oh well. So if we look at our daily, we know that we're still trading that retracement leg of structure. So either I'm looking for rejection here to go up or down here to go up. So I actually need to mark these off. Daily support, something like that. Let's tighten that up a little bit. Something like that, or there's daily support also right here. So daily support level, I won't use a zone because we haven't got there yet. So if we look on H4, we know we're still getting bearish market flow. So we're still putting in ceilings. So if we look here, we've got our last lower high. Knock that off. H4 level of resistance. So tighten that up a little. So today I'll be looking to either get a pullback here and to go down, or either something like this. So why is this? Oh, that's not the right thing. Brush is what I was looking for. Up, down, or break, retest, up. So that's what I'll be looking for. All right, so with that, so we know that we're still in bearish market flow for the DXY. That means we're in bullish market flow for our other pairs. So let's look at those. If we look at EU, it actually went back up and retested that. Perfect. When did that happen? Wish I had caught that because that's probably about to drop. So if we look at the daily, we still have, this is H4, this isn't even daily. We still have a ways to go up. So I think we're still trying to find our new lower high, so we're still getting our retracement leg of structure for our daily, which means we're in bullish market flow on our H4. So I'll be looking for a pullback somewhere, maybe right here. Let's change this up. I hadn't changed my chart since yesterday. Support. Delete that. We're no longer using that. Delete that. Let's extend this trend line out a little more. All right, so so I think we actually hit. Let's see what we hit. Looks like we hit like this exhaustion zone right here to give us this pullback. So I'm thinking it's gonna pull back and maybe create a double bottom to go up. So I'll be looking for something like the pullback, little consolidation, then shoot up, or pull back, break that level, retest it, and drop. I'm more leaning towards this one though, just because we're still in a strong bullish momentum. So if we look on the weekly, I think this thing has room to go up actually. So I mean, it could go up there. I mean, we still got like a weight. We still got a range to fill like a lot of these breakout candles. So we'll see if it hits that or it hits like the trend line and then drops. We'll just have to see. On EJ, if we look, I was in EJ buys yesterday. If we look, yeah. So if we look, we're still in like this this pennant pattern or whatever, which is a reversal pattern to go down. I like to do that. So we are still getting our retracement leg of structure. I do feel as though we may just end up retesting this lower high before we drop. So if we go to our 4-hour, delete this. These were TP targets I had marked off. As we can see, we broke through this zone and we kind of created another one. So what I'm going to do is put like a, or I'll be actually just watching this. Let's see. Just to see if it, we can actually delete this. Support right there. Okay, so I have this right here because I'm working on kind of a little technique to get like pinpoint entries like on these wicks. So yesterday it worked perfectly. Today, we'll see. I'm hoping this comes back down and retest in here somewhere so I can get like that crisp entry. So with H4, what I was looking for was, I think this was what I was looking at. So I was looking at this to come up to the 27%. So I'm hoping this comes back down. Yeah, touch 78 on the dot. So nice pip, nice, would be a nice risk to reward if this came back down here, below the wig. Then yeah, so that's what I'm looking for with this. So I'm either looking for this to come back down, retest this little area, then go up, or break it and go down. But I'm more leaning towards this one. Also, I'm looking for confluence with the DXY. Let's see, on the 3-hour. Okay, I like this 3-hour version better. So let's actually move this right there. A little more accurate than that wick. So hoping it finds resistance right here. And then comes back all the way down. Then goes up. But we'll see. If I don't get that retest, I'm not going to enter. So, yeah. So that's EJ. And we're looking to come to this zone. GU. GU, I mean, it's still just skyrocketing. I mean, it has so much momentum that, like, it's insane. I haven't had a chance to catch any pound pairs. So let's just get some of this off. Yeah, support right. No, that's daily support. So if we look, I mean, I have to look at the weekly to see exactly where we're going. Like we just crossed this. So, I mean, we are definitely coming to a weekly level of resistance, which I'm going to mark off right here. Just so I can keep an eye on this. Go back to the daily. So I want to see a retrace before getting back in, because I mean this thing is like going up with massive strength. So maybe a retest of, you know, I really don't know with this one. Just simply because this is like so much momentum and I don't know really how it's gonna react. But so I may not trade GU or GJ just because they have so much momentum. But if I look at UCAD or AU, AU. I say, how do I not have this chart? Okay, so we are bullish, as we can see. We broke through that. Just put a level here, put a level here, so we know what we're working with. And so now I'm looking to see, let's see, right here. This looks like it's gonna break. Not really sure. Yesterday's candle in. It ended as an engulfing, so I expect, yeah, it could be a retest of this right here. All right, so I am expecting more bullish pressure. So if I add a zone, like something like that, go down, try to tighten it up. Where's my? There we go. Put this maybe right here as our kind of strike zone point. Let's see, this is H4 support slash, I'll do an alert in there. So I would like to see this come back and create like a double top to give us that push up to our next level, because it's the, yeah, this right stuff right here. So let's see. Push. All right, so maybe something like that, then up to create the double bottom, or break the level, retest, and we drop. So that's what I'm looking for on AU. Obviously trade what you see. Let's see. NU is dropping. So if we look on a daily, yesterday's candle, wow, we're getting a lot of exhaustion right there. So, but we're still creating floors. So I can see this pushing up ultimately. So I can see, just take that off. Let's move that over. I think this video is about to cut out.